Talking about millets being complex carbs, it's the amount of fiber that is there in millets as compared to wheat and rice is extremely high. So, while wheat contains 2 grams of fiber per 100 grams, rice contains 1 gram, millets are anywhere in the range of 5 to 14, 15 per 100 grams. So the fiber to carb ratio makes them complex carbohydrates. Complex carbs break down slowly in your system. They give you sustained energy for a longer period. The high fiber helps, gives you high satiety. It helps to keep your weight down. The fiber also cleanses the body. So, fiber acts like a cleanser, and it cleans out all the toxins from your body. So, all of these things together lead to not just reduction in many lifestyle-related disorders, but also prevention. So, if you include these foods in your diet timely, chances are that it'll be, that you will not get the lifestyle diseases in the first place. And of course, they're all alkaline. Our body is 80% alkaline. So consuming alkaline foods is very, very good for us.